Hello kids, welcome to Kids With. Let's learn crawling animals. This is a millipede.
This is a millipede.
This is a centipede.
This is a centipede.
This is an earthworm.
This is an earthworm.
This is a hermit crab.
This is a hermit crab.
This is a termite.
This is a termite.
This is a snail.
This is a snail.
This is a spider.
This is a spider.
This is an ant.
This is an ant.
This is a beetle.
This is a beetle.
This is a scorpion.
This is a scorpion.
This is a caterpillar.
This is a caterpillar.
This is a cockroach.
This is a cockroach.
This is a slug.
This is a slug.
This is a snake.
This is a snake.
This is a gecko.
This is a gecko.
This is a crocodile.
This is a crocodile.
This is a turtle.
This is a turtle.
This is a monitor lizard.
This is a monitor lizard.
This is a chameleon.
This is a chameleon.
This is a bedbug.
This is a bedbug.
This is a tick.
This is a tick.
This is a leech.
This is a leech.
This is a sandworm.
This is a sandworm.
This is a silverfish.
This is a silverfish.
This is a pillbug.
This is a pillbug.
This is a lobster.
This is a lobster.
This is a starfish.
This is a starfish.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.